Good morning, students. Welcome back to Zoom GK series, 5000 GK series in English. Today we will be going through module number 6, which will consist question number 126 to 150 of history, medieval India, Vijayanagar and Bahmani Empire, part 2. So in module number 5, we have already covered part 1 of Vijayanagar and Bahmani Empire. We are running this series in chronological orders so that it's easy for you to understand the chronological sequence. Let's go through question number 1. तो अब चलते हैं हम अपने पहले सवाल की तरफ 5000 जीके सीरीज को. पहला सवाल है The founder of Bahmani kingdom was. The founder of Bahmani kingdom was Alauddin Bahman Shah. Alauddin Bahman Shah was the founder of Bahmani kingdom. The Bahmani kingdom was founded in 1347 by Hasan Gangu. Hasan Gangu is nothing but Alauddin Bahman Shah. He revolted and proclaimed his independence from the Sultanate. He assumed the title of Alauddin Bahmani. So his name became Alauddin Bahman Shah and he founded Bahmani kingdom. Gulbarga was the capital. Bahmani kingdom was founded in Bahmani kingdom कब शुरू हुआ था? It was founded in 14th century. ये 14वीं सेंचुरी में शुरू हुआ था. 1347 1347 का मतलब 14वीं सेंचुरी. So the Bahmani kingdom was founded by Alauddin Hasan Bahman Shah in 1347, 14th century. It is from this title that the kingdom was called the Bahmani kingdom. Because he took the title of Alauddin Bahmani, so because of that it is known as Bahmani kingdom. The Bahmanis of Deccan rose to prominence in which of the following century? Yes, it was founded in 1347 and in that century it was at its peak. तो ये अपनी prominence या peak पे था 14वीं सेंचुरी में. Coming to question number 4. Who among the following Bahmani rulers built the famous Gol Gumbaz? गोल गुंबज बीजापुर में किसने बनवाया था? So Gol Gumbaz at Bijapur, that was built under Muhammad Ali Adil Shah. So Muhammad Adil Shah, the Bahmani rulers built the famous Gol Gumbaz. So Gol Gumbaz Muhammad Adil Shah ने बनवाया था. Amazing part of this monument is huge dome. इसमें बहुत ही बड़ा डोम है. Constructed in year 1656. डोम का डायमीटर 44 मीटर है, 40 meters in diameter, which made it the largest dome in the world when it was constructed. So जब इसको बनाया गया था तो उस समय ये सेकेंड लार्जेस्ट डोम दुनिया का था. Question number 5 is तरफ in Bahmani kingdom signified. तरफ एक प्रोविंस को बोलते हैं. So it signifies province. You must have heard about Tarafdar. Tarafdar means province, the governor of province. Taraf is Bahmani kingdom signified province. In Bahmani kingdom, Taraf signifies the province. Alauddin Bahmani divided his kingdom into 4 Tarafs or 4 provinces and placed each one under a Tarafdar or a governor. Question number 6. The foreign traveler who visited and described Vijayanagar soon after its fall in the Battle of Talikota was. So, when the Vijayanagar fell in the Battle of Talikota, just after that a foreign traveler who visited, he was Caesar Frederick. तो विदेशी ट्रैवलर जो विजयनगर के फॉल के समय, जब विजयनगर का अंत होने वाला था, विजयनगर साम्राज्य का, बैटल ऑफ टेलिकोटा में, उसके बाद आया था, उसका नाम था सीजर फ्रेडरिक। द बोन ऑफ कंटेंशन बिटवीन बहमनी एंड विजयनगर किंगडम वाज, बहमनी और विजयनगर के बीच में लड़ाई झगड़े किस वजह से थे? दैट वाज बिकॉज ऑफ कृष्णा तुंगभद्रा दोआब। द बोन ऑफ कंटेंशन बिटवीन बहमनी एंड विजयनगर किंगडम वाज कृष्णा तुंगभद्रा दोआब। द कॉन्फ्लिक्ट स्टार्टेड ऑन ए लार्ज स्केल इन 1367 ड्यूरिंग द रीजन ऑफ बोकावन। तो शुरुआत में ये जो है लड़ाई शुरू हो गई थी कि कौन कृष्णा तुंगभद्रा दोआब पर कंट्रोल करेगा। तो ये बहमनी और विजयनगर के बीच में लड़ाई इसी वजह से थी। मोस्ट ऑथोरेटिव अकाउंट ऑफ मलिक कफूर्स डेक्कन कैंपेन इज गिवन बाय, मलिक कफूर ने जो पूरा अपना डेक्कन में विजय अभियान चलाया था वो उसके बारे में किसने लिखा है? उसके बारे में अमीर खुसरो ने लिखा है, क्योंकि अमीर खुसरो ही उस समय जो है उनके दरबार में थे। अमीर खुसरो गेव द मोस्ट ऑथोरेटिव अकाउंट ऑफ मलिक कफूर्स डेक्कन कैंपेन देवागिरी, वारंगल एंड द्वार समुद्र। तो अमीर खुसरो ने इसके बारे में लिखा है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 9, द फेमस हजारा राम टेम्पल वॉज बिल्ट बाई whom? So Hajar Ram temple, it was built by Dev Rai II. Dev Rai II, Hazara Ram temple was built in the early part of 15th century by the king of Vijayanagar, Dev Rai II. The temple is dedicated to Lord Ram. तो राम के लिए डेडिकेटेड है, हिंदू भगवान है, हिंदू डेटी। क्वेश्चन नंबर 10, Which one of the following dance tradition developed during the age of the Vijayanagar Empire? विजयनगर एम्पायर के समय कौन सा डांस ट्रेडिशन डेवलप हुआ था? सो इट वॉज यक्षगान विच वॉज डेवलप्ड ड्यूरिंग विजयनगर एम्पायर। तो यक्षगान शुरू हुआ था। अमुक्त मलयद रिटन बाय कृष्णदेव राय द रूलर ऑफ विजयनगर वाज इन विच लैंग्वेज? तो अमुक्त मलयद जो कृष्णदेव राय ने लिखी थी दैट वाज इन लैंग्वेज तेलुगु। विच वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग वाज कैपिटल ऑफ होयसल्स? होयसल्स का कैपिटल था द्वार समुद्र। तो कैपिटल ऑफ होयसल्स वाज द्वार समुद्र। जूम जी के 5000 सीरीज जिसमें हम 25 सवाल एक मॉड्यूल में कराएंगे और इसके 200 मॉड्यूल होंगे। तो 200 मॉड्यूल में 5000 क्वेश्चंस विल गेट कवर्ड। वी एक्सपेक्ट फीडबैक एंड कमेंट्स एंड इम्प्रूवमेंट। आप फीडबैक दें, कमेंट्स भेजें और क्या इम्प्रूवमेंट आप चाहते हैं इसमें, जिसको कि हम इसमें इनकॉर्पोरेट कर लेंगे। क्वेश्चंस हमने कई जगह से सोर्स किया हुआ है, एनसीईआरटी से लिया गया है या दूसरी किताबों से लिया गया है, और हम इसको कई बार चेक करते हैं कि क्वेश्चन और उनके आंसर सही हों। इसमें हम हिस्ट्री, ज्योग्राफी, पॉलिटी, इकोनॉमी, फिजिक्स, केमिस्ट्री, बायो, ईवीएस, मिसलेनियस, इन सभी को कवर करेंगे इन 5000 क्वेश्चंस में। तो 200 मॉड्यूल में ये सभी चीज़ें जो है कवर की जाएंगी। आप सब्सक्राइब करें और अपने दोस्तों के साथ शेयर करें। लेट्स गो टू नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। व्हाट इज़ द मीनिंग ऑफ अठवना? अठवना का मतलब क्या होता है? अठवना था रेवेन्यू या रेवेन्यू डिपार्टमेंट। रेवेन्यू डिपार्टमेंट को अठवना कहते थे, जो कि टैक्स लेते थे, रेवेन्यू टैक्स लेते थे लोगों से। सो इट मीनिंग ऑफ अठवना इज रेवेन्यू डिपार्टमेंट। Name the Bengali poet who was conferred with the title of Gunarj Khan in Sultanate period. So Bengali poet who was given the title of Gunarj Khan, his name was Maldhar Basu. So you can remember Basu is a name which is Bengali name. So Maldhar Basu. When Raja Vodiyar founded the kingdom of Mysore, who was the ruler of Vijayanagar? तो जब राजा वोडियर ने किंगडम ऑफ मैसूर शुरू किया था, फाउंड किया था, तो रूलर विजयनगर के कौन थे? विजयनगर के रूलर उस समय वेंकटा टू थे. सो वेंकटा टू वॉज द रूलर ऑफ विजयनगर व्हेन राजा वोडियर फाउंडेड किंगडम ऑफ मैसूर. Going to next question. Question number 16. Where is famous Birupaksh temple located? So in the last part number 6 or module number 5, last one, we studied that Birupaksh temple is located in Hampi, which is 350 kilometers from Bangalore in the state of Karnataka in southern India. It is part of the group of monuments at Hampi. And Virupaksha is a form of Shiv. शिव को ही विरूपक्ष कहते हैं. What was the name of the Persian translation of महाभारत? महाभारत का पर्शियन ट्रांसलेशन किया गया था. It was translated during अकबर और इसका नाम था रजमनामा. रजमनामा बुक ऑफ वार्स is the Persian translation of epic Mahabharat. So Rajamnama. Whose army was defeated by the army of Kakatiya rule in 1303 at Warangal? So it was the army of Alauddin Khilji. Army of Kakatiya rulers defeated the Alauddin Khilji army. Kakatiya dynasty was South Indian dynasty whose capital was Urugulu, now known as Warangal. तो वारंगल में अलाउद्दीन खिलजी की आर्मी को ककतिया रूलर्स ने हराया था. हु वॉज द फाउंडर ऑफ गजपति डायनेस्टी ऑफ उड़ीसा? गजपति डायनेस्टी जो उड़ीसा की थी उसके फाउंडर कौन थे? उसके फाउंडर थे कपिलेंद्र देव. कपिलेंद्र देव वॉज द फाउंडर ऑफ गजपति डायनेस्टी. गजपतिज वर medieval Hindu dynasty. medieval Hindu dynasty थी that ruled over उड़ीसा. उड़ीसा पर शासन किया था और लार्ज पार्ट ऑफ आंध्र प्रदेश पर और वेस्ट बंगाल पे एंड द ईस्टर्न एंड सेंट्रल पार्ट्स ऑफ मध्य प्रदेश एंड सदर्न पार्ट्स ऑफ बिहार इन फ्रॉम 1434 to 1541. गजपति डायनेस्टी वाज एस्टेब्लिश्ड बाय कपिलेंद्र देव. 1434 से 66 तक रहे थे. उन्होंने 1434 में जो है इस डायनेस्टी को शुरू किया था. Which one of the following places has been referred to by Arab travelers as the House of Gold? तो Arab traveler who were coming to India, they were fascinated by the gold found in India. तो इसमें से एक को House of Gold भी कहते थे and Multan was known as House of Gold. Multan has been referred by Arab travelers as the House of Gold. During the early period, Multan was known as the City of Gold for its large and wealthy temple. जो यहाँ के मंदिर थे उनमें बहुत ही धन रहता था और सोना रहता था. The Sun Temple या सूरज मंदिर, that was considered one of the largest and wealthiest temples in the entire subcontinent. 21. The term Amaram in the Vijayanagar Empire stood for. अमरम मिलिट्री ग्रांट्स को बोला जाता था. जो मिलिट्री ग्रांट्स दी जाती थी उसको अमरम बोला जाता था. होयसला मोन्यूमेंट्स आर फाउंड इन. होयसला माउंटेन जो है हेलिबिद और बेलूर में पाया जाता है. सो इट इज फाउंड इन हेलिबिद एंड बेलूर. 23. Who among the following rulers allowed the Portuguese to build churches in Vellore? तो किसने इजाज़त दी थी पोर्चुगल्स को चर्च बनाने के लिए वेल्लूर में? तो ये वेंकट टू, उन्होंने जो है ये इजाज़त दी थी. सो इट वाज दिस परमिशन वाज प्रोवाइडेड बाय वेंकट टू. विच रीजन ऑफ इंडिया वाज रूल्ड बाय सुल्तान जैनुल अबिदीन? ड्यूरिंग द सेम टाइम इन कश्मीर जैनुल अबिदीन वाज रूलिंग कश्मीर. ही वाज ऑल्सो नोन एज अकबर ऑफ कश्मीर. अकबर ऑफ कश्मीर किसको बोला जाता है? जैनुल अबिदीन को. So this all completes your 25 questions. We will wait for your feedback, comments and what improvements you want. I will again run through. So that will be your revision. तो एक बार और रिवीजन कर लेते हैं. वी विल रन थ्रू द क्वेश्चंस अगेन, so that will become our revision. The founder of Bahmani kingdom was Alauddin Bahman Shah. Bahmani kingdom was founded in 14th century, 1347. The Bahmanis of the Deccan rose to prominence in which of the century? It rose to prominence in 14th century. Who among the following Bahmani rulers built the famous Gol Gumbaz at Bijapur? Muhammad Adil Shah built the Gol Gumbaz at Bijapur. Gol Gumbaz is having a very huge dome constructed in 1656. Dome is 44 meters in diameter, which is the second largest dome at that time in the world. Taraf is Bahmani kingdom signified. Taraf means province and Tarafdar is the head of province or the governor. The foreign traveler who visited and described Vijayanagar soon after its fall in the Battle of Talikata, he was Caesar Frederick. He visited just after the Battle of Talikata. The bone of contention between Bahmani and Vijayanagar kingdom, that was Krishna Tungbhadra Doab, because of which there was always problems between Bahmani and Vijayanagar. Most authoritative account of Malik Kafur Deccan campaign, that was written by Amir Khusro. The famous Hajar Ram temple built by whom? Hajar Ram temple was built by Dev Rai II. It is dedicated to Ram. Which one of the following dance tradition developed during the age of the Vijayanagar Empire? So Yakshigan, that dance tradition was developed during the age of Vijayanagar Empire. Amukt Malyad, written by Krishnadev Rai, the ruler of Vijayanagar, was in which language? So Amukt Malyad was written in language Telugu by Krishnadev Rai. Which one of the following was capital of Hoysals? Capital of Hoysal was Dwar Samudra. Dwar Samudra was the capital of Hoysal. Yes, as we always need your feedback, comments and improvements, and subscribe to get more from Zoom GK. Going to next question. What is the meaning of Atvana? Atvana is revenue department. Name Bengali poet who was conferred with the title of Gunarj Khan in the Sultanate period. Gunarj Khan title was given to Malabar Basu. He was a Bengali poet. When Raja Vodiyar founded the kingdom of Mysore, who was the ruler of Vijayanagar? Vijayanagar Empire at that time was governed by Venkat II. He was the ruler of Vijayanagar. Where is the famous Virupaksh temple located? Virupaksh temple is located at Hampi, and Hampi is 350 kilometers from current Bangalore in the state of Karnataka in southern India. It is a part of monuments of Hampi. This is a UNESCO site now. UNESCO site. Virupaksha is a form of Shiva. This question can also come. What is the meaning of Virupaksh? Virupaksh is Shivas. What was the name of Persian translation of Mahabharata? Mahabharata was translated in Persian language and it is known as Rajamnama. Rajamnama means book of wars. Question number 18. Whose army was defeated by the army of Kaktiya rulers in 1303 at Warangal? So Alauddin Khilji's army was defeated by Kakatiya rulers. Who was the founder of Gajapati dynasty? Gajapati dynasty, that was also one of the important dynasty which ruled parts of Andhra Pradesh, West Bengal, Odisha, eastern and central part of Madhya Pradesh, Bihar. It was founded by Kapilendra Dev. Which one of the following places has been referred by Arab travelers as House of Gold? India was known as, the House of Gold, but within India, Multan was known as House of Gold because of the gold and wealth present in the temple. Sun Temple Suraj Mandir was considered one of the largest and wealthiest temple. The term Amaram in the Vijayanagar Empire stood for military grants. Hoysala monuments are found in Helibid and Belur. Question number 23. Who among the following rulers allowed the Portuguese to build the church in Vellore? Church in Vellore built by Portuguese, and it was allowed by Venkat II. Which region of India was ruled by Sultan Jainul Abidin? Jainul Abidin ruled Kashmir, and he was also known as Akbar of Kashmir. Jainul Abidin was also known as Akbar of Kashmir. This completes our 25 question of module number 6. Thank you very much for going through all these questions. Wish you all the best. Subscribe it. We will come with another module shortly. Thank you. Thank you very much.